On over an acre and a half in the scenic Killarney neighborhood, you'll find this beautiful 4-bedroom bungalow.
Welcome to 138 Leeland Way,
where you'll enter into the great room filled with natural light.
This beautiful kitchen has floor-to-ceiling cabinetry with plentiful storage.
And off the kitchen, you'll find a walk-in pantry.
This side of the home has 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom.
On this side of the home, you'll find the primary bedroom with an ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet.
Built in 2020, the home has the opportunity for one-level living with your laundry on the main floor.
Down the hall, you've got access to the double-car garage. Let's head downstairs.
First in the walkout basement is the spacious family room,
followed by the large bedroom with a walk-in closet
and access to the home's 3rd bathroom.
The downstairs also has a den with another walk-in closet.
The home also has a large storage room that houses the home's forced air heat pump.
Thanks for watching. For more information on 138 Leeland Way,
visit frederictonhomes.com.